Today's fly of choice will be a bright green popper. All geared up, ready for action. All right, so before I get into the video, I wanna say a quick thank you to all of you guys for getting me to 600 subscribers. Just a few months ago, we were still at 300. So we've had some quick growth in the span of, I guess, 2 months. If you are new here, my name is FisherYin, and you should probably subscribe because I'm gonna keep pumping out fishing content. We are walking through a place where city of Richmond kind of empties out their sewage, right? Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I'm here with Ethan, of course. Nathan's somewhere, no one knows. But yeah, it's pretty stinky. But hey, sometimes you just gotta walk through the terrible stuff to find some good fish. Okay, so the general gist of what we're doing today, we're gonna be once again fly fishing the James River. We got a hurricane coming up this week, so we're gonna try and get as much fishing done as possible before it over floods this wall right here. Obstacle 1, just hop over a few rocks. So wait, this is like hopscotch, but level 10. Woo! How's Ethan doing? He's still stuck on level 3. Oh yeah, we're running. We are sprinting. Look at that footwork. Uh-oh. The water wasn't flowing this hard last time we were here. Okay, gotta go down from this way. Okay. All right, no snakes. Don't be any snakes. Ugh, gotta walk through this grass. Okay. All right, we're good. It's all good. And we are in the water. Woo! Water feels great, nice and cool, especially for a hot day like today. This is some heavy water, but I think the smallies are turned on right now. We're gonna fish this cove. Last time Nathan and Ethan both caught smallie here. Maybe today I will have the good luck. All right, you ready to start?
Yep.
Let's go. So water clarity is not a concern. We could get rained out. That would be bad. Oh, I had one go for it. They're eating. They are eating. Got him. Oh, little sunfish. Not trying to catch you today, but thank you for biting. Yeah, dude, they are on fire right now. All right, I will see you later. Oh, wow. That's so cool. I see them like under the tree hitting something. Oh, yes. We got it in the cove. Oh, no. That was good fish, whatever it was. Oh, here it comes again. Got him. It's another bluegill. Wow. Yeah, we got a bigger one. Oh, this guy has some nice colors on him. Check that out. Beautiful fish. He kind of choked it though. All right, I already have 2 fish. That's not bad. Not bad at all. I can visually see them just come up and take it. It's so cool. Oh, I see some fish down there. Oh no! Ah, another bluegill. All right, thanks for biting. Hey, you know, like one thing I've realized is these river fish, their accuracy at like hitting your lure, especially at the hook, is pretty good compared to like a pond fish, which I'm used to. Like the hookup ratios I'm having is insane. Like I'm hardly missing a fish. Well, first fish at this spot, little sunfish. Oh, got one. Oh no, no. Thanks for the bite anyways, buddy. Nice. Ethan's hooked up. Oi! Oh, Oh no! The foam. Oh, okay, quick release. I just wiped out. Okay. Wow, look at that little waterfall. Alrighty. Let's hit this spot. Don't get in the water or get too close, or else you'll spook the fish. Got one. Oh, are you serious? Okay, I think I have a curse today. I think all I'm gonna catch are sunfish. All right, well, I can't lip you. See you, buddy. I mean, to be honest, the day's not going that bad. We've caught over 7 fish, I think, in total. The only problem is wrong species. Huh?
Yep.
Woo!
Oh my gosh.
What?
Oh, I can still see it. Oh my gosh, that was a 2-pound smallie.
All right, gonna jump. Oh, that was a good pop. Yes, sir. Good pops only. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, yes! Smallie jaw. I think. Oh no, never mind, false alarm. Man, good colors though. Bye. Okay, I'm gonna stop calling what fish it is before I actually see it. Maybe that'll help me get some better luck. I think most of the fun, besides catching these fish, is just being in nature, being in the river, and not being blasted by the sun, and having the water cool you down a bit. It's super nice. All right, hold on. Gotta fish every single shade. Oh, yes! I was adjusting my rod too. Cool. That was so cool. I just said you gotta fish those shades. I'm gonna try and poke it. There's a big fish in here. Or it was a catfish or something. There was something big that I startled in here. I didn't quite capture it on camera. That was scary, but once again, these fish are just hiding in the reeds. Back to playing hopscotch now. You never know which rock is just gonna give way, and then you're gonna fall and get hurt just like that. I'm gonna hit this original spot one more time. Oh, little panfish. Yeah, we're killing them today. All right, he just released himself. Not gonna argue with that. Yeah, what's up?
I called that on one of your trucks the other day. Tyler goes fishing.
Oh, okay.
I called it on one of your videos.
All right, cool. Well, thought I'd have a little better luck than that. Same with Ethan. But like, we grinded it out. Ethan had a decent smallmouth. I'm pretty sure. It took him into the weeds and then he lost it there. So that's super unlucky. This might be our last time coming to this river for a while because we got a big hurricane coming. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, that would help a lot. And subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, fish for the adventure.